Guys, with Mac OS Sequoia, we have multiple Apple intelligence features, but do we actually know how to use them? Well, let me show you. With Mac OS Sequoia, you can now summarize a PDF. So let me show you that. So I have a PDF over here. So I could just open up Siri and I could say summarize this PDF. So what it's going to ask me, so here you can see it's asking me whether it can use chat GPT, right? So you have an option to send it just the screenshot or the entire content. In this case, I wanted to send the entire content so that we have a good summary. I can hit send. Here you can see it's working with chat GPT now. And here you can see we have a summary, but this is quite long. So again, we'll go and tell Siri, can you make this concise? And again, it's going to ask me whether you want to use ChatGPT. Let's use ChatGPT, and it says working with ChatGPT again. So here you can see the PDF outlines the development of Apple's Macintosh computers from the 1984. So this is more readable and it is quick to understand for you in case you are in a hurry. So this is how you can summarize in a PDF. But can Siri summarize this table for me? Let's find out. Let's now ask it to summarize this table. Can you summarize this table for me? Yes, send. So here you can actually see that it's given me what this table is about. So here it says the image shows a spreadsheet of titled candy data containing a list of candies. Basically, it's binary for whether it's chocolatey, caramelly, fruity, and everything, right? So let's go ahead and ask it another question. From this data, can you tell me which one had the most sugar? And yes, we use ChatGPT. So as you can see, some things can be difficult to get to, but it will basically summarize most of it. So for example, I have this PDF which is in the form of a presentation. So I can now ask it to fact check. So let's see it working. I'll hit the Siri icon, hit the mic. Can you summarize this document for me? So we'll send it the entire content, and so now it's working with ChatGPT again. So if you didn't know, Siri is now integrated with ChatGPT to give you more advanced results. And we are seeing the demonstrations of that in this video, right? So here you can see. So this is an introduction to insects, right? So we have insect structure, we have orders of insects, insect conversation. All of this is available, right? So you don't have to actually go through the entire PDF. You can just get the gist of it with Siri. So guys, another thing you can do is actually ask Siri to create some sample data. For that, just open up text edit. For opening text edit, you can just hit command plus space and type in text edit. So once you've opened up text edit, just with your two fingers tap on it, and here you can see we have writing tools. Under writing tools, you want to go to compose, and you can see compose with ChatGPT. So now I'm going to type in list of students. So here you can see, guys, a list of students, their roll call and their grade has now appeared. So it is in a CSV format, so you can just easily import it to your Excel file or your Google Sheets file. So like this, you can ask it to create multiple types of tables as well. Another thing you can do with text edit is here you can see I have created a list for a camping trip I'm planning to go on. Let's just say I'm going on it and I have multiple things that I've created a list of. Now what I can do is again right click, I can go to writing tools, I can go to compose. So as you can see, I'm asking it to check the list that I've made for my camping trip and let me know what I should add to it. Let's hit enter. And here you can see we have a current list and we have suggested additions. So we have sleeping bag, matches for lighter, flashlight, everything is very relevant. So we can just, if you want, copy this and then move it up so that you can actually add it to your list. So in this way, you can also add it to your list.